So over to you. I've
Okay,
already
okay, okay,
mentioned.
okay. Good
Okay.
afternoon, everyone. This gives me immense pleasure to introduce the people behind this conference. These women leaders from all across the country, ably advised by IA India President and Chief Advisor, has put today's conference before you. Let me first introduce Uma Prakash. She is the chairperson, IIA India Women's Forum, Vice President of IIA India, and past President of IIA India, Madras chapter. She is a member of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India and certified fraud examiner with more than 25 years of experience. She is associated with IIA since 2003. She is also a speaker at ICIA and ICMA. She is also socially very active and involved in various social activities. Next is Sana Bakai. She is the chief editor of IIA India and she is the chairperson and founder of IIA Delhi Chapter's Women's Circle and president of IIA India Delhi Chapter's Jaipur Club. She is a dynamic professional with over 15 years of experience as chartered accountant, a brilliant author, and an entrepreneur with excellent leadership qualities. She is a speaker at various platforms. She also has won several awards. Next is Sandhya Sriram. She is the chairperson of IIA Bangalore Chapter Women's Circle. Sandhya is the global head of audit and risk for Wipro Enterprises. She was placed in India's top 100 women in finance by AIWMI in 2019. She has been awarded the CA CFO Service Sector in 2015, CA CFO Women in 2014, and CA Professional Achiever Woman in 2013 by Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Sandhya is a regular speaker at national and international conference of ICAI and CFO forum on various topics. Now, moving on to the next, Nehal Shah. She is the chairperson of IIA Bombay Chapter's Women's Circle and secretary IIA Bombay Chapter. Nehal is a fellow member of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, a certified internal auditor, a certified information system auditor, and holds a diploma in information systems audit DISA. She has also done a course on forensic accounting and fraud detection of ICAI. She has experience of over 23 years in the field of internal audit and assurance services. Earlier, she was a member of the Professional Development Committee of WIRC of ICAI and has been a member of the Human Resource Development Committee of BCAS. Moving on to the next one, Seema Grover. She is the chairperson of IIA Hyderabad Chapter's Women's Circle. Seema has got over 20 years of expertise in corporate finance, business finance, internal audit, and compliance, mergers, acquisition, transformation initiatives, planning and analytics, and digital business process excellence. She is leading the group internal audit and SOX function, resulting in Dr. Reddy's being recognized as best-in-class firm on corporate governance and risk management. Next is Ishani Ray. She is the chairperson of IIA Calcutta Chapter's Women's Circle. She is a chartered accountant by profession from Institute of Chartered Accountants of India and holds a MCOM from Calcutta University. She is a practicing chartered accountant and a financial and strategic consultant. She has over 29 years of experience. She also represents in boards of listed companies as independent woman director. Moving on to the next, Bhavani Joyesh. She is the president of IIA Bangalore chapter. Bhavani heads the internal audit and SOX function at Infosys Limited, headquartered in Bangalore. Bhavani has over 20 years of professional experience. She is a regular speaker on the topic of governance, risk management, and assurance. She also coaches finance and management students. Moving on to the next is Jyoti Dua. Jyoti is in the board of governor of IIA Delhi chapter. She is a chartered accountant from the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, MBA Finance from Karnataka State University, and BCom Honors from University of Delhi. She was awarded the CA Professional Achiever Women Award from ICAI in 2015. She holds position of non-executive director in GAIL Gas Limited, wholly owned subsidiary of GAIL. Moving on to our own President of IIA India, Mr. Thiagarajan Kumar. Mr. Kumar, popularly known as TK, is BCom, CA, ICWA, DMA, and has over 34 years of experience in the industry. After a brilliant academic career, he joined Unilever in 1986 and was with them for 22 years in various functions like finance, commercial, treasury, audit, and general management roles in India and abroad. He joined Times Group as their group head of management assurance services in 2008, and he is responsible for governance, independence, reassurance, IFC, and audits of their business verticals. Currently, he is the Director Management Assurance Services in Times Group. Last but not the least, Mr. Nikhil Kochar, Chief Advisor of IIA India. Nikhil Kochar is a chartered accountant and certified internal auditor. He has graduated from Delhi University and Doon School alumni with experience of over 37 years. He is a senior partner at JHS and Associates. He is chairing audit and risk management committees at independent director in several companies. He has made notable contribution at IIA, ICAI, CGA, and other professional forums as a trainer and speaker on professional subjects, including internal audit, internal control, evaluation, risk management, RBIA, audit report writing, fraud data analytics, among many other things. These are the people who are behind this conference. Over to you, Sana.
TK sir, you can take over, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. Warm welcome to this post-lunch session, which is normally known as the graveyard session. Hope we will keep you engaged and excited. We have lovely sessions coming up. First of all, let me congratulate the team, Women's Forum members who have put together an excellent session, supported ably by GAB and Poonam, lovely going through all the collaterals they have put together. You heard in the morning that roughly 40% of the members, whether it's PwC or Genpact or ICAI, are women. And while I heard this statistics, I was reflecting the membership of IIA India, women membership, which is hardly about 15%. And the idea behind the Women's Forum is to make sure that we reach more number of women professionals who may be in audit profession, who are not yet part of IIA, or probably get more women interested in internal audit engagements. So I hope today's sessions will inspire and motivate many women to join us. And there are many initiatives which you may already be aware, challenge exams, learning partners with Mr. VG Gupta, etc. are on the anvil. And we are also spending huge amount of time on training and providing best class practices, whether global or Indian. We have had more than 120 sessions and events since the lockdown, covered about 11,000 internal auditors so far during this year. With these few words, I once again extend warm welcome and enjoy your sessions for the rest of the day.
Thank you, TK sir, for your address. Now I request Mrs. Uma Prakash to address the audience. Uma ma'am, over to you.
My video. Una, my video. Very good afternoon to all. It gives me a great pride and elation today to note that one of the youngest forums of the IIA, the Women's Forum of the Institute of Internal Auditors, has grown strength to strength in such a short time. Started in 2019 with the objective to create a platform for women in the audit and risk profession to network with like-minded fellow professionals, share knowledge, build profiles, find mentors and role models, step up to leadership roles with the ultimate aim of improving participation of women in the profession, The Women's Forum today has 6 chapters bustling with activities across the chapters. The energy of the volunteers and support of the members of the fraternity to the forum has been very encouraging. And as I look back at the past year, I cannot be more proud. I'd be failing in my duty if I do not attribute this success to the National President, Mr. Tyagarajan Kumar, the CEO of IAA India, Mr. Nikhil Kochar, the current president of the Delhi chapter, Mr. Siddheshwar Balla, who has been the main anchor behind the Women's Forum, and the presidents and other board of governors across all the 6 chapters who are supporting us. To top it all, I am very happy to see the way the national conference has come together, and we have been having interesting sessions till now. The objective of the event is to bring alive dynamic role models, bring alive their life stories, interspersed with meaningful technical sessions such as forensics, risk management, and excellent panel discussions. The event has lined up a galaxy of power-packed women speakers even after the post-lunch on leadership and governance, examining the facets of successful leadership in governance roles. We are also very happy to note that we have been able to put together a unique career fair and have several companies interested to explore candidature of dynamic women looking to take the next step in their career. Likewise, a mentorship program for women is also being launched on this occasion to bring willing leaders to mentor deserving mentees to help turbocharge their careers. All this has been made possible only through the hard work and continuous efforts of the All India Women's Forum, the core committee members across all the chapters. I would like to end this talk. Globally, this could not have come at a more appropriate time when we are seeing women occupying different positions of great responsibilities, such as the recent WTO's appointment of Ms. Okonjo-Iweala as the first woman chief of WTO, and the appointment of Ms. Geeta Gopinath at IMF, and similar other women top professionals. In the words of Michelle Obama, there is no limit to what we as women can accomplish. Through the Women's Forum, we are aspired to kindle that resident spirit in all of us a little bit more so that we bring out and make the difference that we are always present to do. I'm looking forward to the Women's Forum to build on this momentum and make a difference to all the members. I would like you to enjoy the post-lunch session in the same spirit as you all enjoyed the morning session. And please go ahead. Over to Sana.
Thank you, ma'am, for the welcome address. Now I request Ms. Seema Grover to launch the mentorship program by IIA India Forum. Over to you, Seema.
Good afternoon, friends. I hope I am audible, Sana.
Yes, you are audible, Seema.
Okay. Let me also share my screen. Yeah, good afternoon, friends. I am Seema, and I work as Chief Audit Executive for Dr. Reddy Labs. Very happy here on behalf of IIA. I am going to share with all of you the mentorship and returnship program framework that we have conceptualized, and we are happy to take your feedback to make it very relevant for our IIA members. Today, I will be presenting the complete framework, the thought process and the approach, and very relevantly, as we heard in our previous sessions, the outcome of what it would be from these programs. So just taking on the approach and the framework, the whole mentorship and returnship program is categorized into 3 categories. The first one is for learners who are seeking career choices, who would want to know more about CIA, providing them more details, connecting them to few mentors so that they can make appropriate choices at this level and juncture. Because at this time, many of them have the skill, but they would want guidance and relevant inputs here to see career forward. The second kind of the program that we would want for our members is both for men and women who took a break in their career and want to resume back. So how do we go about supporting them and providing them a step-by-step approach so that they are back in their careers? And the third program is an interesting program. This is for many of those aspiring leaders who are at a stage where they want to become a chief audit executive. And this program also is for some of the chief audit executives who would want those guidance and the connect while they are executing their duties and are responsible for providing assurance to the board. So taking what I would do is I would take through each of the program. I'll just summarize, not get into details because of time, but I will summarize the program design, the outcome of the program, and happy to seek everyone's feedback here. We have to structure it very thoroughly to make very relevant for our members. And we as a team are very passionate about doing this. The first program, what I spoke for learners category, experience less than 3 years, we would support them step-by-step approach. What we would also provide them is a connect to complete CIA program and the library of it. There would be mentors that would be attached to them. We will also work to provide them a summer internship. So all the three, and I'm just adding on here, all the three programs we are designed with advice of Nikhil, our advisor CEO, Nikhil Kochar, and very important inputs, two important inputs that I feel is the people who are part of this program also should volunteer for at least 1 to 2 IIA events. That also is part of this program. What is the outcome of this? This definitely will build continuous education and a guidance for the person for growth in his or her career. The second, I'm not going through the details here. The second program design is very important, where many women specifically, once they come back after their maternity leave or some challenges, and they would want, how do we go back connecting to the corporate world or to few, what are the skills that I need to get into upskill, who is there for me to mentor? So, and even for men. So this is program for all those relevant IIA members and other members who would want to take a step-by-step approach, where in this program, we will put on what is the upskill that they need to do. They will have to get connected to few mentors. And here they are also responsible to have 2 to 3 IIA events that they need to volunteer. This will follow a certification or a credit rating methodology. This is the whole about the second kind of program. And the third program, which is very interesting, is all for the aspiring leaders and CAEs. The outcome of this whole program is, how do I work on my behavioral skills? How do I work on my leadership skills for me to transform to be a transformed leader, to do an adult to adult kind of conversations with seniors, to learn that art and balance. You put your point, you make your point, but you also learn that art of balancing and articulating in an appropriate way so that solutions come out from those conversations. So this whole program will be for 6 to 9 months. This is divided into 2 parts for aspiring CAEs and for CAEs. And here the whole design of the program is more about coaching. Here definitely we will have people get connected to coaches and to very good industry leaders and experienced internal auditors who can guide them over a period of time. And this program also will follow a methodology and will follow a certification. The people who are part of this program are also required to mentor people who are in either program 1, the learners program, or the people who have come from returnship. So that skill, very important skill of people development, is demonstrated while you are in this program. So this is the summary from my side. And we are happy to take more queries and take this forward. Here I would pause and hand over to Sana. Thank you.
Thank you, Seema, for sharing this detailed information on the mentorship program, which is launched by IIA Women's Forum today. And I'm sure a lot of people will be interested to listen to know more about it. To know more about this session today, you can visit the career fair to have all the details of this session of this mentorship program.